What is going on, you guys? I figured I would show you guys a quick little video on how to make nice, clean, soldered battery cables. So instead of using the clamp-on style terminals, you can actually get ones that don't have the clamps on them, and they're super easy to put together, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So to make the cables, basically you need your battery cable you're going to use, your terminal, and you can see there's no bolts or anything. It's not a clamp-on style one, it's straight hole. You'll need your heat shrink. All this stuff is available in kits. They sell it at like your auto parts stores and stuff like that, but they're really nice. So they have little solder pellets, heat shrink, and then a little bit of flux. So basically what you well, I dropped the solder pellet, but what I do is I clamp this in here like that, so that way it's get a better angle on it. There we go. Clamp that in there like that. Take your solder pellet and you stick that in there. Then you want to strip your wire and mark it, and then I'll cut it and strip all that back. Got that stripped now. Add a little bit of flux to it. That way the solder will get all up in there. I think I put a little bit too much on that one. And this is the easy part. Take your torch, heat it up. The solder will melt down inside of there, and then when that melts down, basically you just stick the wire in and it solders to it. There it goes. Now, once that cools, that ain't gonna go nowhere. It's already in there pretty good. And then you take your heat shrink, you slide your heat shrink over the end of it, heat it up, and you got a nice clean battery terminal. Slide that down over that. And there you go. Simple as that. Now you have a nice, clean, professional looking battery terminal, and you don't have to worry about it falling apart like the other ones do that have the bolts. You don't have to worry about them stripping out with the little clamps or anything like that. The only downside of these is you can't really add stuff to them, but for race car stuff, I have power distribution blocks that this will go to. And for the ground, I did the same thing, except I only had red battery cable, so I just heat shrink this entire ground cable. So not that big of a deal. But yeah, there's a quick little build tip on how to do nice professional looking battery terminals for you. So like the video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will catch you guys later.